As a sales manager of an electronic gadget shop, when a new product or item will present it to the market or will come to us, here are some things that I'll implement and make rules to our agents so that they will know their products. First things first, we will conduct a morning orientation or meeting regarding the product and make them knowledgeable about it. Then we will train them on how to talk into customers by not being way too aggressive but being persuasive. There's a fine line between that. First thing is we will let them do a spiel or a welcoming like hello, good morning, or good evening depending on the time. Then they will introduce the product or they will have it presented at the customers. By having enough knowledge about the product will enhance the possibilities of sales. That's why we conduct the morning orientation and meetings. When a new product comes to familiarize within, not everyone is a buyer of it. New items because of its high prices and others prefer different options. And when identifying a potential buyer or customer of the product, will specifically look at their physical appearance or their gestures or the people with them. Look for the same product that you want to introduce. Like our product is a Xiaomi Mi 11, the top of its line or the newest product of the Xiaomi line. When you see someone with them or them using a product similar to that, like something Xiaomi, a watch, a cell phone, or even a notepad, you can approach them and slowly present them the product. Even if that's not what they want to see, you can approach them and be persuasive about it, but don't be way too aggressive. Now, there is a lot of competition in this market. When when standing out in this kind of environment, we have to be knowledgeable of our product and its pros and cons when presenting to the customers, and just be honest about it. Honesty goes a lot in this field. In this field, also be punctual, formal, and also be approachable. We have to know our product, exactly what it is and how to present it to the customer, and choosing who are the customers we want to present it with.